All right, we've got about 2.5 cups of pretzel pieces here, 3/4 a cup of butter, and 1/4 a cup of pure cane sugar. I'm just gonna mix this all together in the bottom of my 13 by 9. All right, and now I'm just gonna press this down into a even crust. Alrighty, I'm popping this in my oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. Alrighty, while our crust is in the oven and cooling, I'm just gonna go ahead, grab some whipped cream cheese. This right here is 12 ounces. We're gonna use 16 ounces all together. I'm just gonna get all of this out. Whipped cream cheese is my favorite, y'all. And I'm gonna grab about half of this 8-ounce one. So we'll have our 16 all together, perfect. Now I've got my creamy peanut butter. We're gonna want a cup of this, and I'm just gonna start with eyeballing that. I think that looks pretty good. You could almost see that that's a cup, but I'm gonna put just a little bit more because I love peanut butter. Can't have enough peanut butter in my opinion. Now we're gonna add some confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar. And this is a cup, and then we're gonna need a little bit more than this, so we'll stuck together. There we go. We're gonna want a cup and a half of this. So I'm just gonna, yeah, that looks good. Now I've just got my vanilla extract, and I am just going to put in a teaspoon of that. Alrighty, I'm just coming in with my hand mixer here. We're gonna get this all blended together. Ooh, I love peanut butter. It goes so great with that cream cheese. We're just sweetening it up with a little bit of that confectioner's powdered sugar. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful texture, y'all. This is gonna be so delicious. All right, creamy and delicious. Now this doesn't look like very much, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of my Cool Whip here to extend the recipe. Actually, this is how the recipe starts out is we're gonna put in, I'm putting about half of that 16-ounce container in here because I'm just gonna lighten up this beautiful, delicious peanut butter mixture with this delicious Cool Whip, and I'm just gonna fold it in without making it too flat. That's why you don't put the Cool Whip in when you use the hand mixer. You put it in after you get everything mixed up. Alrighty, we're bringing back in our pretzel crust here. It's cooled down, it's all in one piece, and I am gonna start glopping our peanut butter mixture right on top here. Gosh, it smells so good. If y'all are peanut butter lovers out there like me, you have got to give this a try. But we are gonna be taking this to the next level. This isn't even close to being done yet. I'm just gonna put all of this in, give it a nice even spread, and then I'll show you what we're doing next. All right, I'm just gonna set this aside for 1 minute. I'm grabbing 3 cups of milk here. I'm just using 2%, use whatever kind you like. And I am using the big box of our Jell-O chocolate instant pudding. I'm gonna get all of this chocolatey goodness into our milk. All right, I'm just gonna give this a little mix until it's soft set. Alrighty, perfect. Our chocolate pudding is a soft set. I'm gonna move this out of the way for a second, bring this in, and we're just gonna go ahead and drizzle this right on top. Look at that. Ooh, that chocolate with the peanut butter, forget about it. It's gonna be delicious. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna get all this out, all this chocolatey goodness. Delightful. All right, and we're just gonna give this a little spready spread. Alrighty, I'm just gonna put this in my fridge for about half an hour to let this soft set a little bit more, and then I'll show you what we're doing next. Alrighty, y'all, I just put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes because I wanted that chocolate to get a little more solidified. I'm gonna just top this right on top here with some of my Cool Whip. Just about half of this, a little less than half maybe what was left in my container here from mixing it with the peanut butter. All right, I'm gonna give this a little spread to complete our layers. And then I've got a special something to put on top here, which is going to just seal it with a kiss. Sorry, I wasn't trying to call for you, but well, now that I made the kissing noise, I've gotta reward my kitchen helpers here. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Oh my God. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. Now we've got our Reese's peanut butter cups. I'm just gonna come in, pop these right down here, right on my little cutting mat. We're just gonna give these a little choppy to make them a little bit smaller. No, you guys can't have any of these. I have to tell my kitchen helpers that this is not part of their diet. We're gonna give these a little spread. Oh, y'all, you're gonna love this. You're gonna love it. And you're gonna love me. Yes, you are. That's from the musical Dreamgirls. And a little bit of Reese's Pieces, my favorite candy of all time. Oh, yummy. All right, y'all, let's take a look at those layers. This is just like a Reese's cup. We've got those pretzels on the bottom, that peanut butter cheesecake layer, our chocolate, our little Cool Whip on top, and all of our delicious candies that go right along with this treat. Oh my goodness, let me get in here. We gotta get all the way down to that pretzel crust. Ooh. Oh, good. Oh, yes. Yum. Oh my goodness. All right. This recipe, y'all, was a special request from someone very special. Marty, come on in here.
Gladly.
Get your little treat.
Absolutely. This looks delicious.
Oh, yeah.
Cheers. Thank you.
Is it amazing? You guys heard it here first. You gotta try it.
It's so good.
Well, give me a bite.